Thank you for your purchase of a Can-Am Traxter from ATV Services Scotland. By choosing this model, we feel you have invested in one of the very best utility vehicles on the market, and we certainly appreciate you choosing ourselves to supply it. This video shall act as a virtual handover to ensure you get the best of your machine throughout its life with you, and should be used in association with the owner's manual you received in your blue welcome pack. All points covered in this video are contained within the owner's manual, and you should read it thoroughly and use it as your first point of reference for any queries you have. This machine is an HD8 DPS International and may be fitted with certain accessories yours does not have, but the operational information shall be the same. This particular machine has been fitted with a DFK cabin. Each door on the cabin is lockable and has a sliding window for ventilation, which is operated as shown. Coming into the cabin area itself, you can see the Traxter is fitted with 3 seats, all with 3-point seat belts. On this particular machine, the passenger seat bases are both able to lift up to allow extra carrying capacity inside the cab, and simply lift up as shown. Coming into the driver's area, you shall find the ignition key to the right hand side of the steering wheel. It has 4 positions: off, ACC, which allows you to power the accessories without the full ignition being on, ignition on, and start. The transmission lever is again to the right hand side of the steering wheel and has 5 positions: park, reverse, neutral, high and low. We suggest high is used as a road gear, with low being suitable for speeds constantly under 20 miles per hour and towing off road. To move between the ranges, the machine must be stationary. The steering wheel can be tilted by using the lever as shown. This switch is for the headlamps and has 3 positions: off, dip beam, full beam. This switch is for the horn. This one for 2- and 4-wheel drive selection, not to be used while the vehicle is moving. Rear diff lock, again not to be used while the vehicle is moving. The rear differential is locked when the switch is pushed upwards and unlocked when it is pushed downwards. Windscreen wash wipe, and on this particular machine, winch operation in and out. It also has a 12-volt outlet of a cigarette type. The Traxter has 3 main modes of operation, which you can access and change through the Multifunction Dash. To change these modes, press and hold the bottom left-hand button on the dash, which will cycle through the options. The Eco mode, or fuel economy mode, reduces fuel consumption by limiting throttle response and maximum throttle opening to maintain an optimal cruising setting. Eco mode on bumpy terrain provides smoother ride conditions. The Eco Off mode offers no engine torque reduction, as well as a sportier driving experience. And finally, the Work mode, which is optimized to be able to work with high loads in a smooth way, but still with full engine torque available. This mode is also effective for getting over obstacles and rough terrain. Multifunction Dash also gives you vital information whilst operating your machine, including gear position indicator, forward speed, which is adjustable from mph to kph, engine RPM, time, fuel level, and engine temperature. The red light below is an oil pressure light and should always go off once the engine has been started. Full details on all the functions and settings of this dash shall be found in your owner's manual. Please read it thoroughly to ensure you get the best of your machine. Here we have a removable toolbox, a waterproof compartment that can be detached and taken wherever you need to go. The DFK windscreen opens fully by simply turning the handles on either side like so. and closes by repeating the same steps in reverse. To start your engine, place your foot on the foot brake and turn the key through the ignition positions to start. You can now see the engine RPM displayed on your dash. To move off, simply select the appropriate gear, then gently apply the throttle to move. Please be aware it is essential that the driver's seatbelt is fastened so the machine shall rev fully, otherwise it will not. It is imperative that forward motion is stopped before selecting another range. The 17-digit vehicle identification number is printed on this sticker. This number is extremely helpful for ordering parts and accessories and organising servicing. Throughout the vehicle you shall see warning decals like this one. Please refer to the owner's manual for full instructions if you are unsure of their meaning. This vehicle has a front opening bonnet. To access, pull both sides firmly and flip up. In here you shall find the fuse box and the brake fluid, as well as this machine has a winch operation point. Under this cover is a positive and negative output from where you can attach accessories or jump leads if required. As previously mentioned, this machine is fitted with a Can-Am winch. For operational instructions, should your machine be fitted with a winch, please consult your winch owner's manual supplied in your blue welcome pack. The fuel cap for this machine is situated here, with unleaded petrol being the only fuel that should be used. To tip the rear bed, simply lift this lever on either side of the machine. This will give you access to the engine bay. To check the oil level in this machine, remove this dipstick. Clean it and reinsert. Remove again and ensure the oil level is between the two marks. This should be done when the engine is cold. The bottle on the right is engine coolant. Never remove the lid when the engine is hot or running. And the windshield wash for the DFK cabin is on the left. This item is your engine air filter, and maintenance instructions can be found in your owner's manual. To close the rear bed, simply slam down. The rear tailgate is easily opened by pulling the central handle. This label shall show you important loading limits. Again, if you are in any doubt as to its meaning, consult the owner's manual. To close the rear tailgate, simply slam shut. The rear tow ball, if fitted, is here, and you should follow all the instructions in your owner's manual for loading limits and safe towing practices. Correct tyre pressures are crucial for safe operation of this type of vehicle and should be checked regularly. For pressure settings, please consult your owner's manual and use the tyre pressure gauge supplied in the zip pocket of your blue welcome pack. This has been a very quick overview of the basic operation of this Can-Am Traxter. We suggest you read the owner's manual thoroughly. where you shall also find basic maintenance information and instructions that are crucial for the safe operation of your new vehicle. Once again, we would like to sincerely thank you for choosing ATV Services Scotland for the supply of your new machine. If you have any questions, my colleagues and I are here to help. Just get in touch. Below you shall find links to an electronic owner's manual, product specification sheets, training information, safety instructions and an accessories catalogue. Don't forget to visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel ATV TV, where you shall find instructional and product videos.